Hi, this is Art Kurtz, and I want to review negative numbers, namely larger and smaller and less and greater. You know, with negative numbers it can get a little confusing because we're used to counting 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we get an image of which is larger. But things change when you're in the negative. So let's take a look. What is 1 less than negative 6? Think about that. You may see a question like this on, I don't know, for example, a scientific notation problem. You know, at the end of scientific notation, you always have to make an adjustment because scientific notation can only be one whole number digit and everything else after the decimal point times 10 to a certain power. That's the format. Here in this case, I have 0.75. That first place has to be a number between 1 and 9. It has to have a value, not 0. So I have to make an adjustment here. I have to move it one place to the right, making it bigger, much bigger, turning my 0.75 to 7.5 to get it into format. And when I do that, I have to make my exponent, which is 10 to the negative fifth, 1 smaller. Because I made this number larger, I have to make the exponent smaller. It's balance, and you have to keep it in balance. So, which one is it? Is it negative 4? Is it negative 5? Is it negative 6? Well, I already said we have to change it. And because I made the number larger from 0.75 to 7.5, the exponent has to go 1 smaller. So, what is 1 smaller, 1 less than negative 5 in this case? Is it negative 6? Is it negative 4? Well, when you're in the negative, 1 less would go towards the left, and it's negative 6. So 1 less than negative 6 would be negative 7. When you're in the negative, you're going in the opposite direction that you were always used to. So negative 7 is 1 less than negative 6, and negative 6 is 1 less than negative 5. Very important to keep in mind.